Hey guys, welcome back to Shortcuts to Success, where I, Randy Vieru, share with you how to achieve professional baker's recipes, including my own, that are sure to save you some time in the kitchen and wow your friends and family. So if this is something that you're interested, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I drop a new recipe. Today's recipe is a mascarpone chantilly cream. It is a twist on your regular chantilly. We're going to add some mascarpone to a traditional chantilly cream just so that it can be a little bit more velvety. It holds its shape a lot better that way. You can top it on anything from fruits to another mousse, or just eat it by itself if you want to. This recipe is sure to please everyone in your home, so if you do decide to try it out, please make sure to tag me at Shortcuts to Success on Instagram. I'm going to start by taking my whisk and bowl out of the freezer. We want all of our ingredients and our whisk and bowl to be cold. That way the fat in the cream will not melt faster and it will help to hold those first small bubbles, and it'll help your cream to not fall apart. Next, we're going to take our mascarpone and our sugar, and we're going to work it. And the reason we're doing this first is because the mascarpone is a lot heavier than our cream, and since all of our ingredients are cold, if we try and whisk the cream and the mascarpone together, we risk the chance of having clumps of mascarpone in our cream, which we do not want. This consistency is perfect for our starting point. Now we're going to add our cream, and this cream is about 30% fat. You want a higher fat content because that's going to also help the cream hold its shape. Now it's time for our flavoring. I'm using vanilla paste here. I use vanilla paste because I like to see the vanilla, the little specks in there, and the flavor is also great. So now we're going to blend this until we reach our desired consistency. We're going to start on a lower speed and gradually increase the speed. The reason we want to start at a lower speed and gradually increase the speed is because that's going to build smaller bubbles that are going to hold the cream better. If we start at a higher speed, it's going to build larger bubbles, and that's going to make our cream collapse a lot easier. Once you start seeing the cream thicken, like you see right here, you can start to increase your speed. And once the ridges become more visible, you can now go to the high speed that you have. But you have to watch it, or else you might turn this into vanilla butter. We're just gonna scrape the bottom to get some of that cream that hasn't been whipped up yet, and then we're gonna go back full speed. This is what we end up with, this beautiful velvety mascarpone chantilly. If you enjoyed this recipe, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I drop a new recipe. Until next time, cheers!